This is just, I didn't even know that it could do that until I was playing around with it. That's amazing. Recently, we've had a look and even a comparison of the brand new 2026 second generation Hyundai Palisade. This thing really does punch a lot of classes above its weight and price. A lot of value here, but one thing that it does include on the very top trim for the very first time is a dash camera. Now, we featured it on a short one time, but I want to show you something because I've actually had a little bit more time to play with it now. So this has a built-in dash cam. It is a 2-channel, so that is front and back. The resolution is 2K at 30 frames per second. So nothing to sneeze about for the quality. Now, this is the part that I actually really like. First of all, I've tested a lot of dash cameras and installed a lot of dash cameras. So I wouldn't say I'm an expert, but I'm actually quite versed in them. And one thing that I have a problem with a lot of dash cameras is they're hard to use. Sometimes there's no screen. Even when there is a screen, it's a tiny little screen. Now on this one, you can see it uses the 12.3 inch monitor here for your infotainment system, but not only that. So let's just say if we were to go and let's just click this one right here. Now this is actually showing us there's audio. Okay, there's audio, all right. And it's showing us, that's our front view. We've got our back view right there, our backup. But not only that, check this out up here. Okay, it has our time. It has the speed that we're going at, okay? It has even what gear we're in, if our signal lights are on, if there's any type of major impact that happens, and it will actually record. There's a signal, okay, I'm turning the left signal on, and it's actually showing that. As well, it is giving me all the GPS coordinates right there on the map as well. This is awesome. Like, it really, really is amazing. The fact that you can just click it on that. Now, it's so easy to view from here, but of course, there's also an SD card in the glove box. It's a 32 gig. You can go up to 512, but that's not it. This has no wires or anything. You don't see it at all. It's seamless. And look at these settings here. Okay, so we can actually have it on while we're driving. Of course, that's what we want. We can have it on while parked. And this isn't just like motion, because we have there below that, we have motion detection while parked. So that's when it senses something walking by from the front or the back, it's going to record. And there's some other parameters we can set to driving events. This is when it actually detects an impact. It could be even a big bump, and we can also set the sensitivity and parked events as well. So when you're parked and someone hits you, or if it actually, we actually had it go off because we were parked near railroad tracks. When the train went by, it would go. So look at this. So there's a clarity of that. I'll show you what it looks like on the actual file itself on there. But okay, if we want to see, like if we want to say parked events, these are parked events here. Okay, so these would all be from motion events that happened. So you can see the red dot here. This is where the event happened. It'll even show you. And look at this. There's me, and that is when I opened up the rear tailgate. It sensed it. And it's recording before and after the event as well. So that alone, it's just so easy. Okay, now if I go into this setting here, I can save that. I can go to dash cam settings here. Now, on dash cam settings, it's going to allow me to choose when I'm going to record on that. Recording time, how long it's going to record, and this is what we were saying, the event and the parking sensitivity. If it's going off a little bit too much, or you have a bumpy road, it's always going off, well, I can actually say turn that sensitivity down, or I want to actually turn it up, I can do that as well. I'm just gonna have it right in the middle, right there. And then we have display settings. Now, check this out. Even though there is no physical camera to adjust, I can adjust the height and angle of the camera right here, and of the rear camera as well. This is just, I didn't even know that it could do that until I was playing around with it. That's amazing. Now, if we go back into the dash camera, there is a setting here that I can see, okay? We can record manually, we can even do time lapse, and of course we can save them as well. This is showing me parked recording time, battery charge. This is how long it would be good for if you are parked. And by the way, if you get the Ultimate Calligraphy, which is the top of the line of what we have here, it actually comes with a larger battery for the dash camera. And that alone is a big deal. So that is the new dash camera from Hyundai. I really wish though that it was available on not only even lower trim levels of Hyundais, but on all Hyundais. Hopefully it will be, because it's a great feature. Currently right now, this is the very first time they've offered it, and it is only available on the very top trim of the Hyundai Palisade. So hope that helped you, and hope to see you on the next video. Bye. Like always, if you enjoyed this video or any content on the channel, I have a lot of videos and not just automotive. We have tech, outdoor equipment, including robotic lawnmowers and snow blowers, and even travel, so something for everyone. I would really appreciate if you hit that like and subscribe button. It's completely free, and it allows me to continue creating more content like this for you. Hope to see you on the next video. Bye.